Want to schedule payments on Cash App? While the app doesn't support that yet, I will show you a simple workaround. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So before we begin, here's what you need. A Cash App account, a linked debit card or bank account, and access to a calendar or reminder like Google Calendar or iPhone Reminder. So since you cannot schedule payment directly, use this simple trick for now. First, open your phone's calendar or reminder app. You can use Google Calendar, Apple Reminder, or any planner app that you want. The step 2 is create a reminder. You can give a title like send $50 to mom on Cash App, then choose a future date and time. Then set a notification alert to remind you. And third step, on the day, open the Cash App. Open the reminder and you get a remind. Then tap into the Cash App, send the payment manually. For that, go to name, enter the amount, and tap pay. Here's a bonus tip. Use recurring deposit instead. If you schedule paying to yourself, try the recurring deposit feature. For that, go to settings, go to money, and then recurring deposit. And then set your deposit frequency, weekly or monthly, and the amount. So stay safe. Always double check the receipt and set your phone to notify you so you never miss a payment. So until Cash App adds scheduling, this reminder tricks keeps you in control so you never miss any payment. So if you like this video, then like and subscribe, comment a question below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.